Barefoot Bend is we produce livestock here. We do all natural grass-fed beef, pastured poultry, and forested pork, which is just a fancy way of saying a pig that's raised in the woods. We're also putting in vegetable production this year. We do 100% grass-fed beef, so we just feed them grass, and we don't put any fertilizers on our soil or anything. We actually use our pastured poultry to do that for us. So we bring in and we rotate everything together, and all the animals really work together. It's truly an all-natural process that we do here. We operate on very high animal husbandry standards. We want to make sure that the animals are in the most natural setting they have, very stress-free. When we first moved out to this community, there's a little old-fashioned store, or an old store that's been there for a long time. It used to be a little gas station, a little convenience store, and it was called Crow's Station. We said this place was calling to us. My wife always says it was calling to her. She wanted to open that store, and of course I had a vision for it. And obviously now we sell our product out of there, which is great. And we didn't expect that. That really wasn't even part of the business plan. That was just kind of one of those aha moments. It was like, wait a minute, we can sell our stuff out of our little store. It's a community store. I grew up a city boy. I grew up in Southwest Little Rock. Don't have an ag, bone in my body as far as, background. I used to go down to my grandparents' place when I was a kid, and they had a little farm, but they retired to their farm. They didn't have a farm as a living, as a way of life. I just really always enjoyed it. And then after the military, there was just a part of me that just, was longing to be outside, longing to, be walking my fence line. So I enlisted in the military in February 2001, went off to basic training. Shortly after that, 9/11 happened, and, all 8 cylinders after that. So ended up having 5 deployments between Iraq and Afghanistan before I got out. It was, I treasure it. I treasure my military service. The military absolutely, lays the framework for ag, I think. I truly feel that hard work, discipline, getting up early in the morning, these are all the things that a farmer has to deal with. Just like in the military, you work all day to push through, meet the objective, and farming is the same thing. You put in all this hard work, and at the end of the season, or when your animals are ready to go, and you're ready to process things and take things to market, you've completed your objective. We bought this property, and didn't know what we were going to do. We didn't know how to be farmers yet. So we started going to workshops and looking for different things, and we came across the Arm to Farm workshop. Everything just started falling into place for me. That really fueled my passion for the Farmer Veteran Coalition. And I don't really do a lot with them because I'm so busy on the farm, but I'm busy on the farm because of the Farmer Veteran Coalition. So it's this great cycle because the more I accomplish here, the more I can do for other veterans.